Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert lamp icon in Apple Keynote. Let's get started. At first, open your Chrome browser, then open your Apple Keynote software. Then open your Keynote presentation. Now we can see here is my presentation. Now go to the first slide on the presentation and go to the shape menu and go to the object, and now you can see here are many icon. Now I'm search my lamp icon. Now here is a lamp icon. Now click this and insert it. Now move the icon, increase or decrease easily. Now go to the third slide and again go to the shape menu and again insert lamp icon. Now firstly click this and now change the icon color. Now click this and change more color. Now add this color. Now you can see insert lamp icon in Apple Keynote very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.